Hi, it's Nick McDaniel. I'm with Results Real Estate Solutions. We're here at 25092 Hayes Mill Road in Elkmont. Why don't we go take a look inside? We're here in the dining room with the nice crown molding, the updated fixtures, recessed lighting, and the gorgeous hardwood floors throughout. Let's take a look at the living room. Take a look at the living room. We've got a wood-burning fireplace, really nice brick hearth, a really nice ceiling fan, and lots of lighting throughout. Let's take a look at the kitchen. We're here in the kitchen. This is my favorite part of the house. I love this nice custom tile floor, custom countertop, all the space we have, the island for the prep work, the bar. Come on, let's go take a look at the bedroom. Here's the master bedroom. It's large enough for all your furniture. We've got plenty of closet space and lots of room for storage. Take a look at the rest of the bedrooms in the house. I'm going to meet you outside. You wouldn't expect it from the outside, but this home has a basement. You're going to love this place. Come take a look. We've got a nice covered carport for grilling. We've got a 2-car detached workshop. We've got a paved basketball area, and we've got an in-ground pool. What else could you ask for? Come take a look. You're going to love the neighbors here. Thanks for watching. You can see more properties just like this online on our Facebook page, on our website, or just give us a call.